Cinderella Solution, a weight loss guide designed for you. It is a sad but undeniable fact that women would gain weight as they age. With decreasing metabolism coupled with inactivity, it is easy to see why. But that's not all. As women age, the hunger hormone ghrelin seems to increase, and the lowering of estrogen levels would lead to a decline in leptin, the hormone responsible for controlling our appetite, adding another factor into the problem: uncontrolled food consumption. These changes in the body of a woman makes it very challenging for them to lose weight. Once they gain weight and lose the body they once had, most women would have their self-esteem crushed. Most of them would realise that they have a health issue and would soon look for ways to lose weight. However, most strategies would often fall short, and those women who were at first very enthusiastic would lose interest and fall into inactivity again. Effective weight loss programs have been in surplus lately. One weight loss program, the keto diet, is very effective and has a lot of other side benefits. However, like most programs, it is not feasible for everyone due to various reasons such as time constraints and cost. Going back to keto diet, you have to spend a significant amount of money to follow the diet properly. Most of us just can't do that. The Cinderella Solution was created to address the issue of feasibility in diet programs. This is an online weight loss system that utilises natural and safe methods to regain a woman's figure and improve overall health. Emphasis is given on to whom this program is aimed at. This program is for women who are aged 25 and over. You'll be happy to know that the creator of this program, Cathy Yardley, is just like you, an average woman who at the age of 37 desperately looked for an efficient solution aimed at losing weight for people like her. She is no doctor nor fitness guru, so she can relate to the problems of weight loss that most people have. Knowing what it's like to be an average person, she designed her weight loss guide in such a way that makes it very doable for any woman at the age of 25 and above. The Cinderella Solution is a manual that has 4 parts which explains the entire weight loss guide. The first part of the manual is sort of an introduction to what the Cinderella Solution is and is not. This part also gives an overview to the weight loss guide. It explains the whole weight loss ritual: what is food coupling, food pairing, nutrient timing, and slim sequencing exercise. Part 2 of the manual is on food recipes and dieting strategies. This part of the manual will aid you in the creation of meal plans. This part will also tackle topics on carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Aside from the meal plans, there will also be a guide on how to time your meals properly. Part 3 of the manual is related to Part 2. It utilises the information that you gained from Part 2 to create a guide for you to make your own meals and flavour pairings. Part 4 is a collection of pre-created flavour pairs and weight loss combinations that Cathy Yardley handpicked for the readers. Losing weight can be daunting, and it's not always clear whether your strategies would work or not. However, this should not dissuade you into going back to inactivity. Try the Cinderella Solution with its 60-day money-back guarantee. Click the link in the description to start your journey.